Hello everybody. I will be solving and explaining the following maths problem. Four numbers, square root of 2, 1/3 and the decimal expansions are given. We have been asked whether these numbers can be represented on the number line and if so, to locate them on it. Let us begin. The first two numbers, square root of 2 and 1.414 ... are equal since the latter is the decimal expansion of the former. This is also the same for 1/3 and 0.333 ... First, let's do square root of 2. We begin by making a number line. Then we draw 90 degrees at 1 and extend the perpendicular. Next, we need to take a length of 1 on our compass. We do that by placing the needle on 0 and the point on 1. Then we place the needle on 1 and mark the perpendicular. Finally, we make a line from 0 to the mark we made. Therefore, we made a right angle triangle with a base of 1 unit, height of 1 unit, and hypotenuse or square root of 2 units by the Pythagorean theorem. To put it on the number line, we simply put the compass needle on 0 and the tip on the mark and draw an arc through the number line. Our root 2 will be there. Let's now head on to 1/3. We first make a 90 degrees at 1 and extend a perpendicular through it. Then we take 3 units on the compass by placing the needle at 0 and the tip at 3, after which we make a mark through the perpendicular. We now make a line from 0 to this mark. Next, we have to take 1 unit on the compass by placing the needle at 0 and the tip at 1. We then, without changing the radius, keep the needle at the mark we just made and draw an arc through the hypotenuse. We place the needle on the intersection and make 2 arcs on the height, keeping the same radius. We then adjust the radius of the compass to be more than half the distance between these 2 intersections. We place the needle on the arc, make a mark, and then repeat this with the other arc, keeping the same radius. We finally draw a line through the intersection of these 2 and the intersection of the original arc and the hypotenuse. Therefore, we drew a right angle triangle with the following dimensions. Now, let this length be x. If you analyze carefully, you'll see that we drew 2 similar triangles, one big and one small. So the ratios of their sides will be equal. Hence, the ratio of x to 1 will be same as the ratio of 1 to 3. Hence, x is 1/3. We can copy this length and mark it on the number line.